we'll guide you through how to upload files in Dropbox using the most recent methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, where you can see all your files. Look for the Upload button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with two options: Files and Folder. If you want to upload individual files, click on Files. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your computer and select the files you want to upload. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on the files. Once you've made your selection, click Open and Dropbox will start uploading your files. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status of the upload. If you want to upload an entire folder, go back to the Upload button and select Folder instead. This will allow you to browse your computer for the folder you wish to upload. Select the folder and click Upload. If you have a large folder, it might take some time, so be patient. While uploading, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your files or folders appear in your Dropbox dashboard. Remember, you can also drag and drop files directly into the Dropbox web interface if that's more convenient for you. Just open your File Explorer, select the files you want, and drag them into the Dropbox window on your browser. This method is quick and easy if you're dealing with a smaller number of files. And that's it, you're all set. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.